Hi guys, welcome back to Starview Trend. I'm DeAndre and today we'll be doing an unboxing. This is going to be another Adidas box. I don't know what's in it, but before we get into that, I just want to remind you to like, subscribe, share with a friend, because this really helps us see that you like this content, and of course we'll be doing more. So yeah, don't forget, like, comment, and please share the video with a friend. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the box, looking good. And it is Yeezy 380. Okay, not too bad. We've got the Yeezy Boost 380. Yep, the Covellite. If you can see that. Let's go open it. Okay, at first glance, it does not look too bad. It's not the worst. I mean, they definitely, I think, could have done better. I don't know what they were thinking of when they were trying to do this. Maybe kind of a mist with this pattern here, or maybe some foam in a sea. I mean, I'm getting these kind of like ocean vibes. We see here we've got holes in the actual shoe, which I actually didn't realize. If you see my finger, it actually goes through, which I'm quite surprised about. Nice and comfortable in the inside, which is always good. The undersole has got a different design to the 700s and the 350s, which is quite cool. I quite like this. It's got a cool design with the little waves on it, which is pretty sick, You just slide it on, no laces. Looking good. Going back on these holes, I actually really don't know what they were doing. If you was wearing pink socks, if that's the type of sock you like, then it's gonna show through the shoe. It won't really look that good. We've got this. I don't even know what material this is. It's a plasticky one though. And yeah, I think apart from that, I do like this material here. And there's definitely this blue. If it was mostly this blue, I would definitely pick these up. And then again, the sole, no Adidas on the back, no Adidas sign, no Adidas anywhere on the shoe really. Apart from, of course, on the insole, you've got the Yeezy, the Adidas. Yeah. Let me know what you think. So I have been looking at these quite a while. I've tried them on, and on your feet, they do actually look quite nice. I think only if you're wearing white or black socks, it does give a kind of a different feel to the shoe. Of course, they're as comfortable as always. But yeah, these holes here, they could be quite a bit of a statement, I think. You know, this whole mesh over here, you know, going back to what I said earlier about the ocean vibes I'm getting, it's kind of like a net, you know. So unlike some of their other shoes, they've actually, I can't see any defects in the construction, in the finish. It's looking pretty good, pretty solid all round. I've been looking, you know, nothing really, unless you want to say this whole thing was a defect. But nah, I think that it is actually quite nice. Like I said, on your feet, it does look pretty decent. Of course, it's different, and that's the good thing about Yeezys. Always different, always making a powerful statement. I really do like that about them. And going back to what I said about a sock, it is, you know, slide your foot in like a sock. And I do prefer socks. Maybe that's just my personal preference. Let me know if you like socks or not. But yeah, it's smooth, it's sleek. And I do like this pattern on the bottom. Imagine that in some snow. I doubt you'd wear these in the snow. Okay, so my thoughts, you know, on the shoe, they're not a bad shoe. I think that they are decent shoe. I would possibly wear them. Depends what my outfit is. And like I said before, on the feet, they do look good, but you can't be wearing coloured socks. You're wearing coloured socks, you know, pink, green, it's not gonna look good. It's gonna look out of place, you know, especially with that mesh. and then the holes in the mesh. So I would say just be careful what outfit you're trying to wear with this. The sole, I feel like the color scheme could have been a bit better. They do kind of make it a darkish kind of misty gray with a kind of cardboard brown kind of sole, and I don't think that it works that well. I think they should have gone with a darker gray maybe. I think that would have made the shoe look a lot better. But you know, Kanye's Kanye. So guys, unfortunately, that is it for this review. I do hope you enjoyed, and if you did, go and like, and don't forget to subscribe, because, you know, I know you want to see more of this, and I want to do more as well. So it's a win-win. That's me signing out. Peace.